Hey, Midwest Picker here. Yeah, I'm drinking the Diet Dr. Pepper. Today is Saturday, September 5th. Watching prime time here, and I rewatched this video, but right here, dramatic transformation of my reselling space. So if you don't know Dominic, check out his channel, Primetime Treasure Hunter. He doesn't just do what's sold on eBay sourcing videos. He does all kinds of motivational videos, and this one he cleaned his eBay space. And I am experiencing eBay creep, where stock and dead stock and boxes from postal service are stored in other bedrooms, in the laundry room, in the garage. So I decided to clean my eBay office. So I spent the last 4 hours cleaning the office. I'm no longer embarrassed to show it to you guys. So let's do this quick office tour. So this is the eBay desk, and there's my laser black and white printer. I know I got to get a thermal printer someday. I just haven't gotten around to it. Got some old stock there. I just have to list on eBay, of course. There's the famous Enoch, 3 foot by 3 foot, watching down on me, giving me advice. He's very logical. Stack of PlayStation magazines. This is back in the day when there was only a PlayStation, so there wasn't a PlayStation 2 or 3 or 4, just PlayStation. I think it goes back to issue 2, and I got to get those bundled up and list primetime style like the Mad magazines and comic books. This is just my corner. You guys have seen this before. My LPs. Those are the pictures I got from Cat and the Nurse Flipper. One of my favorite movies, The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. And I got some 8x10 photos up there. So this is my stockpile. This is still a mess, but this is my SKU system. You know, I got these drawers, and I have them all labeled. And then I got these bins here, and those are labeled. My photo booth, my light. I got a new light, which I haven't shown you yet. That painting. So there's my 48 star flag is on the back wall. So we'll take a spin around here. Oh yeah, I forgot. How did I forget Joey? Joey is supervising today. He did not lift a finger to help me clean the office. Oh, I'm sorry, Joey. He doesn't have fingers. He didn't lift a hand. No, he didn't walk over. No, he doesn't have legs. He didn't help at all. But he did supervise. So he did give me some advice. Enoch, of course, always gives advice. So now I'm going to show you the death pile closet. This closet was a complete disaster. It was so nasty. I've only shown it like once in a year. Well, today I cleaned it up, and we're going to show it to you. So there we go. We got Bruce Lee still covering up the ugly, but I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like now. So it's very organized. I got the little eBay branded boxes here. I got nested boxes there. So now I got my region A, region B, medium flat rate, large flat rate. That bag down there is fragile. Those are pine cones, so I put them down there so they don't get crushed. Miscellaneous USPS boxes. They're not flat rate. They're just priority mail boxes. I got my inserts here. So whenever I use a padded flat rate envelope, 6x9, 8x10, priority mail or otherwise, I like to sandwich things between cardboard so they don't get damaged. So I put that all there. Bubble wrap. I got a tower of bubble wrap. Got a note from Kevin. Commonwealth picker flipper. All my shipping supplies are here. You know, shipping labels, plain paper. You can't tell, but all my poly mailers are here. All my baggies are here. So that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention. A big thank you to the YouTube family. I reached another milestone, 30,000 views on my YouTube channel. The milestones are just happening fast and furious. Instagram, eBay feedback, YouTube. Hard to keep up, but yeah, 30,000 is just amazing. Now, total transparency, and Dominic will love this. My most viewed video is a dodgeball video, and it accounts for about 8,000 8,000 views out of those 30,000. So it's not just about me. It's a one viral video. But yeah, I did have to quickly mention, big thank you to the YouTube family for 30,000 views. Nothing too exciting, but man, I was glad I did that. I took a tour yesterday of my sister's eBay office, Blue House Brocante, and she has this kind of setup. I had a pile that was a fire hazard, so I was inspired by both my sister and Dominic to get organized. I threw out 3 kitchen garbage bags of trash. I also did this too. I broke down boxes and stuck them in a box in a box. There's the light I got from Blue House Brocanti. I got to put that together. And there's, I think that's Leonard, I'm not sure. So that's what it looks like. That's what your space should look like, your shipping area. Mine was just a giant pile and it was a mess. So any last words, Enoch? No. All right. That's it, guys. Just a quick office tour to give you an idea of what it looks like from my vantage point. There's the flag. There's the booth. Bunch of stock. Just got to sell that stuff. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.